Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's reshaping how we work, how we live, and even how we manage money. From Wall Street trading floors to everyday side hustles, AI is becoming one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. The big question is, are you ready to use it to your advantage? Welcome to Money Mind Play AI, the channel where artificial intelligence meets smart investing and real money strategies. If you've been looking for clear, practical, and future-focused ways to grow your wealth, create side income, and shift your money mindset, you've just found your new home. Here, we'll dive into how AI is changing the world of investing, which tools actually work, and how you can use technology to unlock financial opportunities that most people overlook. Let's start with this. Why should you even care about AI when it comes to money? The answer is simple. Money is information. And AI is better at analyzing information than any human could ever be. On Wall Street, AI is already being used by hedge funds to detect trading patterns, forecast risks, and execute trades faster than humans. But it's not just for the big players anymore. Everyday Americans now have access to AI-driven apps that can help with budgeting, investing, debt payoff, and even side hustles. Think about it. An app that can learn your spending habits, suggest the best ways to save, and automatically invest your money into a diversified portfolio. That's not the future. That's already happening today. First, AI-powered investing insights. We'll explore how AI is being used to trade stocks, analyze crypto, and even help predict financial trends. Second, smart investment strategies. We'll break down the basics of building wealth in today's U.S. economy, from beginner-friendly approaches to advanced tools. Third, money mindset growth. Because wealth doesn't just start with tools, it starts with how you think. We'll talk about shifting from paycheck to paycheck, living to building long-term financial security. Fourth, side hustles and extra income streams. Americans across the country are using AI to freelance smarter, launch online businesses, and generate passive income. We'll highlight realistic side hustles that actually work. And finally, we'll look at financial trends and AI tools, so you always know what's coming next in the digital economy. Now you might be wondering, how does this apply to me? Well, whether you're working a 9 to 5 and want to build a side hustle, or you're already investing but want to stay ahead of the curve, AI can give you an edge. Imagine having a personal financial assistant that never sleeps, never gets tired, and is constantly analyzing data to give you smarter insights. That's the power of AI when applied to money. And the truth is, if you're not learning how to use these tools, you might be left behind. In today's fast-moving economy, information is power, and AI is the tool that makes information work for you. Over the next few videos, we'll be covering topics like how AI is changing the way Americans invest, the top AI tools every investor should know in 2025, can AI really predict the stock market, and the best AI-driven side hustles you can start today. Each video will give you clear takeaways you can apply immediately, whether it's testing a new app, shifting your mindset, or exploring a smarter way to make money. Let's break down the advantages AI brings to your financial journey. Speed. AI processes thousands of market signals in seconds. Imagine trying to read every piece of financial news and analyze every stock. Impossible for a human, easy for AI. Consistency. Unlike us, AI doesn't get emotional. It doesn't panic sell during a dip or get greedy during a rally. It follows the data. Personalization. AI apps can learn your habits and give advice tailored to your goals. Want to save for a house in Dallas or retirement in Florida? AI can design a plan specific to you. Accessibility. You no longer need a financial advisor charging 1% of your portfolio. Many AI-driven tools are low-cost or even free. Of course, AI isn't perfect. It can't predict a pandemic or sudden political crisis. But compared to traditional approaches, it's like moving from a bicycle to a Tesla. So if you're ready to grow wealth, stay ahead of financial trends, and use AI as your advantage, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications. This is Money Mind Play AI, where we combine technology, investing, and mindset to help you play the money game smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.